it's Jasmine with Century 21. If you're a first-time home buyer, you might not know all of the costs associated with buying a house. So I made this video to give you a good idea of how much money you actually need in order to close on a property. So if you're more experienced in the home buying process, you probably already know this information, but if it's been a while, this video might be a good refresher. So let's get right into it. One of the most common fees associated with buying a house is the down payment. Depending on your loan type, you might not be required to put down any money. If your loan does require a down payment, the minimum is usually 3.5% of the purchase price. If you're able to put down more than the minimum, then I would definitely recommend you doing that because in the long run, it could save you more money. For example, if you put down 20% or more, then you won't be required to pay private mortgage insurance, and that basically protects the lender if you default on your loan. Earnest money is another cost associated with buying a home. The point of earnest money is to show sellers that you're serious about buying their house and you're willing to invest some money in good faith in exchange for them taking their house off the market. Earnest money is typically 1% of the purchase price, and it would be paid after getting your offer accepted. This money goes towards the purchase price of the home, and it can be refunded during the due diligence period if you decided to back out. However, if it's past the due diligence period and you decide to back out of the purchase of the property, then you would forfeit that earnest money to the sellers. So that's why it's important to have an agent that's responsive and keeps you up to date with the timelines in the contract so that you're able to back out without losing your earnest money. So another out-of-pocket expense for buyers would be the inspection. This can be anywhere between $200 and $500 per inspection. Home inspectors look at things like the foundation, structural components, roofs, HVAC, plumbing and electrical systems. So they typically go through the property, inspect everything, take photos, and within 24 hours you should have a full written report with what they found. I would definitely recommend saving enough money for at least 2 inspections, just in case you go under contract with one property and you decide to back out after that inspection, you'll have some money saved for the next one. In addition to all these fees, you can expect to pay closing costs as well. So this is typically 3% of the loan amount, but depending on your lender and location, this fee can range up to 6%. Some of the fees associated with your closing costs would be your loan application fee, appraisals, closing fees, and a title search. So these are all the costs associated with purchasing a home. Hopefully you found this information helpful. And if you have any questions, definitely reach out to me and I'd be happy to help. Please like, subscribe, comment, and share for more content, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.